All right, so this problem says in guinea pigs, yellow and white color fur are incompletely dominant. They blend to form cream. Cross a cream-colored guinea pig with a yellow male guinea pig. So the two dominant ones are going to be yellow and white, and the blend is going to be cream. So we're going to go ahead and write that. So yellow and white. Blend is going to be cream. So step 2, we need to assign a letter to each. So yellow, we're going to assign a Y. White is going to be W, and cream is going to be YW. Now the parents, so we need to cross a cream-colored guinea pig. So we said cream is YW, so we need to put YW here. And actually, if you want to go ahead and put 2 letters up here, yellow is, you can put either 2 letters here, that's fine, or you can put 1 letter. It doesn't really matter to me. The genotypes of the parents, YW is going to be cream, and the other guinea pig is yellow, so YY. Then we need to separate out to show the possibilities for sperm and egg. So the YW becomes Y here, W here. The YY becomes Y here and Y here. We are going to fill in our Punnett square. So we got Y and W, Y and Y. So what is the chance of having a yellow guinea pig? Well, yellow is YY, so that would be 2 out of 4, or 50%. What's the chance of having a cream guinea pig? That would be 2 out of 4, or 50%.